Fantastic. And welcome everyone. I'm Jim Shea. I'm the president of Premier Rides. Very excited for the unveiling today. And AlpenFury is an unbelievable attraction that is going to wow everyone. You can guarantee it. This is one big ride. It is an incredibly complex layout. It has amazing pacing. It is Canada's longest, tallest, fastest launch coaster. It's going to be a world record coaster for launch coasters in 9 inversions. And it is non-stop thrill from the moment you leave the station to the moment that you get back. I mean, this ride, I'm sure some of you have seen the great visuals that are online for the ride. It is a fantastic ride. It's over 3,000 feet long. It goes over 70 miles an hour. You come out of that station, you are launched into Wonderland. You are launched in, and this layout, to go through that mountain, you go into the mountain, you get launched again inside the mountain, you get shot out the top of the mountain, and you go into this incredible experience of inversion after inversion after inversion, and other thrills along the way. So this is an amazing attraction. It is a testament to the technology capability of Premier Rides and working with the incredible team at Canada's Wonderland. You can only imagine what it's like. There are 3 other rides in the mountain. There's also a complex structure that supports the mountain. We have to do the most advanced effort, I think, ever on a ride with Canada's Wonderland using drone technology of surveying. And we're talking terabytes of data to map the inside of that mountain, map the structure, map the other 3 rides, and for our layout specialists to be able to weave the ride through that mountain. It is stunning what was done. So we're really excited here to show you the lead vehicle from AlpenFury, and Sarah will lend you the boat. Thank you. Oh. Beautiful. I want to thank Six Flags for the incredible partnership on this attraction. This is the most complex attraction we've ever built. And if you look at the video, you can see the complexity of the attraction. We could only do it without your team. With your team. We can only do it with your team and the close relationship we've had with Six Flags over the years. And the former Season Fair. It's great to put that all together and have those teams working with us. Thank you.
It's a great partnership, and Jim, we appreciate you and your team's effort. We're so excited. I think we have
it. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much.
I'll take video of it.